So I'm going to make a video review on my Stihl 026 wood boss. I put a 16-inch bar back on it because I'm just not going to be using this bar that whole much, but I'm going to put a bigger 20-inch bar and chain when I get a new 3/8 pitch sprocket for this, and do the same thing for the MS291 farm boss. But this is a 46cc saw. It was made in 1990s. This is a 1990s model. There's a master control lever, down this choke, half choke, run, stop, recoil, gas and oil tank. It's a very good firewood saw. Bucking spike, chain brake, side tensioner bolts, chain tensioner, and the top is for the decompression valve, but it don't have a decompression release button on it. There are some of these that have it and some of them do not. And this is where you could definitely get your access to your air filter and your spark plug. This is the new air filter. And this is the gap I had trouble with. I had done working on this saw about 2 years ago. About 2 years ago in 2023. My Uncle Jim had this saw for about 4 years before it was mine. He had complaints with it, but the kill switch didn't work, but he thought it don't have a kill switch. But fortunately it does. Up is stop, down is on. And it's got your low and high and auto speed adjustment. It runs fine. I don't need to be adjusting the carburetor. Sometimes I love adjusting the idle speed. But it does got plenty of power. I was going to be planning on sharpening chain on my MS250, but I hadn't done that yet. I might do it after when I get done making the video. And I'll do a little startup for you. Set the camera down. Oh dear Lord, hold on. It's windy for today. Don't feel like going outside. You see how different it done before? All I did was just bump the metal at the front, and I did sharpen the chain on it about 2 years ago, and it starts wonderful. I'll show you. When you turn it on, after when it's hot, one pull. And there she is. Stihl 026 Farm Boss with a 16-inch and a 20-inch bar. Well, I'll do a review on the Stihl MS250. Stay tuned.